Money was tight, the family was big, but he never let it get him down. He was a fisherman, a working man, kept his loved ones safe and sound. He was strong and wise, and he knew a lot, different from all the rest. He was a teacher, though he never taught. Yeah, fathers know best. Say back then the things were tough, well I'm sure that this is true. Stories passed on from generations about the things he had to do. To meet this man, to shake his hand is something I never got. But in my heart and in my love I reserved you a spot. Through my father's love I feel your